So, good afternoon all. So, we discussed about the case study video, which is the problem statement is taken from the Harvard University, where the problem is the front end and back end developers who are dealing in today's projects. Okay, they are having a high risks and how to maintain their models and how to develop a front end and back end with proper development. So, you can give few ideas how the industries can overcome this and how they can do it. So, who's going to share your points first?
Hello everyone. Today we are presenting a case study in full stack development inspired by Harvard University. Harvard is globally known for academic excellence and innovation in technology education. Through its modern teaching method and online programs, Harvard has made programming and web development accessible to students worldwide. This case study explores how Harvard's learning model lets students become skilled full stack developers.
Okay, so you are just telling by using your skills we can develop the front end and back end. Okay, so next.
So yeah, I'm going to discuss about the problem statement. So in today's technology-driven world, business rely heavy on web application for services. So traditionally, students learn either front-end development or back-end development. So which focus on user interface design and backward holistic understanding for application architecture. As startups and tech companies prefer versatile developers to handle multiple responsibilities. So begin looking for professionals, we could design a responsive interfaces with scalable APIs, manageable database and deploy applications. So this growing industry demand creative approach to train developers who are capable for handling and complete software development cycles.
Okay, so you want to handle it with developing the cycles and understanding the needs of today's world. Okay, so next.
Harvard's learning methods. Harvard's learning methods in for full stack development includes hands-on practices rather than theory. Students learn by building real-world projects to learn about real-world environment. The process starts with strong fundamentals like algorithm and problem solving. They learn full stack development such as HTML and CSS to create interactive user interface. They learn back-end development using tools like Python and Node.js. A key part of Harvard's approach is collaborative learning, where students work in teams, discuss ideas and debug code and review projects.
Okay, so by not only theory, but she has shared a point where hands-on training session should be given for the students, where they can gain more knowledge by working on practically. Okay, so your point.
To implement and the real world outcome, the effectiveness of our full stack learning model is really seen in its real world impact. So the students gain practical experience by building complete web app, and also they can learn how to design the websites and can create backend systems. They also can connect with the databases and uses the more tools like GitHub for teamwork. So in hands-on training, many students get internship job opportunities and even start with their own projects. So this method makes students confident, skilled and ready to do the software industry. Thank you.
Okay, so you're just expanding your idea. By working on GitHub, they can even get except in that. Okay, so
In conclusion, the Harvard University's full stack development plays an important role in modern software education. It helps the real industry needs and helps the students. The key takeaways of full stack development is it's not just about learning new technologies, it's about understanding the concept, fundamental and etc. Overall, it helps to prepare the students to build a scalable solution.
okay. Okay, so you see, as per Manisha's point, she has told we need skills to upgrade our full stack and front end. As per Manjalika's point, she told we need to expertise in the field where the urge is more. We should have more technologies, more skills in it. So, as per Mahati, she told the points where we can solve the problems and how we can handle it. And for Malati, she has given the points of how to overcome in the modern technology world, and trains on hands-on training session should be given so that they can be having their knowledge practical and